Welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host, Natasha Bridge-Mohan, mortgage broker of Mortgage Intelligence and president and CEO of the Bridge Group of Companies. Today, we're going to be talking about becoming mortgage-free faster. Most of us are homeowners, and most of us carry pretty much a big mortgage debt. Either you have a variable mortgage or a fixed rate mortgage or a home equity line of credit. Now, in most cases, traditionally, for every homeowner, the biggest debt that you and I may carry, in most cases, is our mortgage debt. Not only is it a big debt, but it's also one of our biggest assets. Now, the most important value of becoming mortgage-free faster is not only you're going to have a positive net worth or a bigger asset on your asset sheet, you're going to be having more cash flow because you don't have any more household mortgage responsibility. The faster you become mortgage-free, the faster you'll be able to retire earlier and also have more liquid cash flow every month to do other types of spending or investments towards your future retirement. Mortgage debt is actually considered a good debt, not a bad debt. Why? Because, as I mentioned earlier, you're purchasing assets, and it's a home. Now, what can you do as a homeowner to help yourself get out of that mortgage debt faster, more so in addition to just making your typical mortgage payments, whether it's a monthly payment, a bi-weekly, accelerated payment, or a weekly payment, whatnot it may be. Now, very important things that you can apply. I'm going to give you a few different examples today, and hopefully you can take away these examples and follow through with, if not all of them, a few of them to help you become mortgage-free faster. First of all, if you are making bi-weekly payments or monthly payments or weekly payments, if your cash flow subjects you and allows you to do so, you should start making bi-weekly accelerated payments. By making bi-weekly accelerated payments, the word alone, acceleration, means that you are advancing forward to do something faster. And you can do that by reducing your mortgage debt a lot faster by paying down your principal a lot faster. Another option is you can top up your mortgage payment too as well. Now, if you top up your mortgage payment based on whether it be monthly, bi-weekly, or accelerated, or weekly, whatever it may be, let's just say your payment is $1,000 every month. You can usually top that up between 15 to 20%. So $100 to $150 extra you can pay every month, and that goes straight towards your principal, and that's penalty free too as well. You could also prepay your mortgage up to 15 to 20% every year, tax free and penalty free, and that also goes towards your principal down payment 100%. Now, for those of us who are lucky every year to get a small chunk or big chunk of our tax refund when we file our income tax, instead of taking that money for other wants in terms of maybe doing something that you may not get a return back, why don't you take your tax refund and pay down your mortgage faster? That's another way of becoming debt-free faster and obtaining a mortgage-free home. Now, the advantages, as I mentioned earlier, becoming mortgage-free will allow you to increase your cash flow and retire early. If at all you can afford a higher payment too as well, don't opt into a 30 or 35-year mortgage. Opt into a 25-year mortgage, and even better, if you significantly have surplus at the end of the month, prior to signing that mortgage commitment, work with a qualified mortgage broker to see if your amortization is qualified for something traditionally lower, untraditionally lower, such as 20 or 15 years. That will again help you accelerate your mortgage and become mortgage-free faster. So again, plan carefully, look at your mortgage situation, do your monthly budget. It's all about planning. I really emphasize this almost every week. It's very important to plan. Again, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And you want to put yourself in a win-win situation where you're able to achieve all of your financial goals and learn to be responsible fiscally, monthly, and weekly when you're managing your budget. And also what you can do is you can contact us at our mortgage desk at www.thebridgegroup.ca or toll free at 1-866-553-7467. If you ever want to view any of our missed episodes, please don't hesitate to visit us on YouTube by just Googling The Financial Room, and our episodes will be available for you to view. I strongly encourage you to look at your mortgage statement sometime early this year before the year is up and see what you can do to plan to make down prepayment payments so you can become mortgage-free faster. Hope you enjoy our show, and take care.